I am at the Kyle Scott residence to do a repair attempt video. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this wind damaged shingle right here without trying to disturb the shingle above it. I'm gonna start by making sure the shingle that I'm removing isn't adhered to the shingle below it. Okay, now I'm gonna make sure the shingle above it isn't adhered to the one I'm removing. Now I'm gonna take this roofing snake and I'm gonna remove the wind damaged shingle from the decking. Okay, I've got the shingle out, single layer. I'm gonna put it right back in where it was. I'm gonna fasten it to the decking using my roofing snake. So I use the roofing snake so I don't have to lift the shingle above it higher than necessary in order to get a decent nail strike. Shingles out, down, it's in. So in the process of this repair attempt, this is the shingle I removed and put back. Take a look at the chipped edge here from my roofing snake. We got another chipped edge right here from my roofing snake. Same goes for this, but we also have delaminated teeth here, 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 and over into another shingle. So two shingles are now damaged in this repair attempt, deeming this roof irreparable. The reason why delaminated teeth is an issue is now this shingle will come apart into two pieces.